Hi, I'm Debra Johnston. I am super excited to share with you another timeless, classic Harrison design residence. This one is beautiful. Everywhere you look, you can see the signature detail that Harrison does in their homes. Super wide columns here, long hallways, very tall ceilings. You can see out the back of the beautiful property as well as out the front. So you have lighting on both sides, natural lighting. This is very hard to come by, to have a walkout pool. And then you have a separate guest house and a 5-car garage. All private over here with the outdoor fireplace. The entire residence is made of cut stone with a slate roof. And then look at this property. Please call me to preview this property. I would love to show it to you.